Hey preschoolers, I hope you had a good Thanksgiving break. I have decided that since it is the first day of December tomorrow, that I am going to do books about something that starts with the letter D this week, like D in December. We're going to do books about dinosaurs. And this is how you do D in sign language. So, this one is a bedtime book, and it is called Night Night Dino-Snores. So let's see how these dinosaurs go to bed. All right. Now the sun's rays sink low in the sky. Soon the bright stars will be shining up high. At last it is bedtime for all dinosaurs. The air will soon echo with loud dino snores. Tyrannosaurus Rex holds on tight to Mom. The sky blushes gold, the breeze quiet and calm. As they head home together, all safe and sound, there's a soft, gentle hush in the air all around. Good night, tiny T-Rex. Triceratops snuggle, they're ready for bed. Mom plants a kiss on her little one's head. Among the soft leaves of the jungle they huddle. Bedtime is always the best time to cuddle. Good night, tired Triceros. Velociraptors rest in the cooling night air. They think of the fun they have had everywhere. All through the day they've been bouncing about. When nightfall arrives, they're all tuckered out. Good night, resting raptors. Do you bounce around all day and you get tired out? High up in the trees, with the world spread below, the leaves rustle gently, the sky all aglow. 3 tiny pterosaurs head to their beds. Under Mom's wing, they are small, sleepy heads. Good night, tiny pteros. 3 spinosaurs snuggle. They're ready to sleep. Huddled together, a small, happy heap. Down on the bank by the river they sprawl, in a line from the big right down to the small. Good night, snoozing Spinos. The dinos are sleeping. The day's work is done. A chorus of snoring at last has begun. High up above, the stars twinkle so bright. Good night, dreaming dinos, we all say. Good night. Good night, and I hope you have a good night's sleep too. And I'll be back with more books about dinosaurs tomorrow.